If you own a Samsung Galaxy device and you've been eagerly waiting for the One UI 8.0 update, I have a question for you. What if I told you it might not arrive when you think? Or worse, your phone might not get it anytime soon. I know it sounds crazy, especially if you've been following the beta releases and expecting a stable rollout soon. But the situation has shifted, and not in the way most Galaxy users were hoping. So what's really going on? Why is Samsung suddenly holding back the update? And more importantly, what does this mean for your device? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the answers. And maybe even a tough decision to make about whether to wait, upgrade, or start looking at your options. Let's rewind a bit and look at how this all started, because it was all looking good a few weeks ago. Back in late June, things looked promising. Samsung released the third beta version of One UI 8.0 on June 30th. It came with smoother animations, better transitions, and some nice new customization features. The Galaxy community was excited. The assumption was simple: beta 4 would land soon after, and then the stable version would be pushed to all supported devices shortly afterward. But that didn't happen. Instead, things came to a halt. According to an official Samsung beta program moderator, the fourth beta has been delayed, not by a few days, but by an entire month. That kind of delay is unusual when the stable release is supposedly close. The moderator stated they're still working on bug fixes and overall performance, and want to ensure the stable build is flawless. That sounds fair on the surface, but is that the whole story? Because, well, we've all been stuck waiting. Samsung has been busy with something else. They launched their brand new foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and those premium devices come with something that might just frustrate every loyal Galaxy user who's still waiting for the update. The new foldables ship with One UI 8.0 pre-installed. Yes, the full stable version, the same version you and many others have been waiting for. That means the final software is not stuck in development. It's not being tested anymore. It already exists. It's out there, just not for your Galaxy device. Which leads to a very important and obvious question that we all want answered. If One UI 8.0 is stable enough to be pre-installed on Samsung's latest $1,800 foldables, why is it not ready for your Galaxy S21, S22, or even the flagship S23? Why the delay only for the rest of us? The answer seems to lie in Samsung's current business strategy. And once you hear it, you might understand it, but still feel disappointed as a loyal user. Samsung is being cautious and protective with its new launches. The Fold 7 and Flip 7 are their top-tier devices, and they need to launch flawlessly. Any bugs, crashes, or performance issues in those early days could damage the image of the product. So Samsung is focusing all its efforts on polishing the foldable experience first, while older phones are simply put on hold. Now, to be fair, the same beta moderator said that beta 4 might arrive next week. And if that actually happens, we could see the stable version roll out between late August and early September. But there's no official date, no confirmation, just guesses. And that uncertainty is starting to make Galaxy fans nervous about how long this delay will really last. But what if I told you something even more frustrating? What if One UI 8.0 doesn't even make it to your device at all? That's not just a theory. We've seen Samsung quietly change its update roadmaps before. With One UI 7.0, some mid-range and older phones had to wait for months, and some never got the update at all. It's happened before, it can happen again. Right now, we are seeing the same pattern repeat. A new update launches, flagship users get priority. Mid-range users wait, and budget users, they're left hoping. And even if the update does arrive for your phone, it may take weeks or months, depending on where you live and what carrier you're on. So yeah, this isn't new. It's frustrating, but not new. Despite the delay, One UI 8.0 is shaping up to be a solid upgrade. It brings smoother transitions, cleaner animations, Material You-inspired themes, improved battery and app management, And some hidden features Samsung hasn't even shown off yet. If they really do iron out the bugs and polish the experience, then maybe the wait will be worth it in the end. But that's only true if your device is actually on Samsung's priority list. Otherwise, you're stuck waiting with no timeline. So what should you do if you're tired of waiting? What if you're ready to move on and experience One UI 8.0 now? Well, Samsung has made sure to offer a tempting upgrade path for people who don't want to wait anymore. If you buy the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Flip 7 using exclusive Sciotech links, you'll get some valuable perks. These include a $50 Samsung credit just for clicking the link, up to $150 in free storage upgrades, and up to $1,000 trade-in credit for your current phone. You'll also get 30% off Galaxy Watches and Galaxy Buds as part of the limited time promotion. So if you were already thinking of upgrading, this could be the right time. But if you're holding on to your current Galaxy phone, just know the road ahead is still uncertain. The stable update isn't right around the corner. And while the wait might lead to a better experience, no one really knows how long it's going to take or which devices will be first. So here's the question you need to ask yourself. Is Samsung delaying the update because it isn't ready? Or are they slowing it down on purpose to protect the launch of their new $1,800 foldables? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'll be reading through them and replying to the most interesting ones myself. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a like and subscribe for more content just like this.